In programming, comparison operators are essential tools used to compare two values. They evaluate expressions to determine their relationship, such as equality, inequality, or order. These operators are widely used in control structures like if statements and loops to make decisions based on conditions. Let's dive deeper into comparison operators, starting with equality and inequality. The equality operator equals checks if two values are the same, while the inequality operator equals checks if they are different. These operators return a Boolean value, true or false. Next, we have the relational operators. Greater than, less than, greater than or equal to greater than equals, and less than or equal to less than equals. These operators compare numerical values to determine their order and inclusivity.